Hello everyone, it's Casey from Sandhills Springers. Our puppies are now around 3 weeks old and getting cuter by the day. When they're 3 weeks old, it's time to start transitioning them to more solid food. We're gonna feed them something called puppy mush, which is similar to baby food for babies. I'll show you an easy way to make it. All you need are 3 ingredients: puppy food, puppy milk replacement, and water. To make the puppy mush, simply take around a cup of puppy food and blend it up really well. Make sure it's blended up really well because you don't want your puppies choking on any chunks. If you do have a few chunks, remove them. You can always feed them to your mother dog. Then add a couple spoonfuls of puppy milk replacement and enough water to make it pretty liquidy. You make it less liquidy as the dogs get more used to this puppy mush. Now, see what your puppies think. Hey little one, are you gonna wake up? You gonna wake up? There we go. I think you would say this is a success. I think you would call this a success. For more puppy videos and to follow along with our journey on our AKC registered English Springer Spaniels, follow Sandhills Springers on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.